Hi, I'm Simon and I'm part of NPT's Education Welfare Service. Our main role is to support families and children with education, attendance and welfare concerns.
Hi, I'm Lucian. Since September, we have offered more than 1,600 pupils and their families individual guidance and support across Neath Talbot.
We were one of the first out knocking doors to deliver food grab bags and checking on our vulnerable pupils such as young carers. We also delivered hundreds of pieces of IT equipment such as laptops and mobile Wi-Fi devices for those pupils who could not access or take part in their online lessons.
My name's Emma Ryan, I'm a pastoral worker with the Neath Talbot Methodist Circuit of Churches. We filled pencil cases for children returning to school after the first lockdown. We're very grateful that we had lots of support from our church members and their families and their friends, and also from Tata Steel, who gave us £300 towards the cause. In total, we were able to pack and distribute 1,200 pencil cases to local families, and we're just really grateful that we were able to reach out and make a difference in the community. Hi, here's your pencil cases.
Oh, hi, hello.
There's the things you asked for.
I'm so grateful, thank you. Oh, that's wonderful.
No problem.
Yeah. I was wondering if I can sing a song for all of you for just helping us out. So it's all we know, one day we'll get outside. If we protect each other and our loved ones, we'll be fine.
That was amazing. Thank you, Tom.
Thank you very much. I want to thank all of the Education Welfare Service. It's just been so helpful.
Oh, they've been brilliant. A diolch yn fawr am Nadolig Llawen i chi gyd.
Nadolig Llawen!